Hi guys, welcome back to my channel RenderRebels. One of the simplest way to earn money in 2026 is AI influencer and Higgsfield. Higgsfield has now introduced AI Influencer Studio. Plus they have also introduced Higgsfield Earn. So now you can post your AI influencers on social media and earn through Higgsfield Earning tab. I'm going to show you both things here today in this video. So without any delay, let's jump into Higgsfield. As you guys can see, I have logged in into Higgsfield AI. Now let's talk about Higgsfield AI first. So Higgsfield AI is a platform which provides all the popular AI image generation tools as well and video tools as well, like VO 3.1, Google Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Kling 2.6, Kling Motion Control, and all that stuff. And if you check their plan, they are right now having a beautiful discount and you can get up to 80% off on the creator plan, which is $249 per month. But right now you can get it for $37.4 per month. And if you are a freelancer, you can definitely go for the ultimate plan. Now, why I love Higgsfield, I have told before also, because Higgsfield is far more cheaper than Freepik, Kriya, OpenArt, and many other many other platforms as well. So I prefer Higgsfield, and they are generous with the credits as well. So you can follow their Twitter account and you can get some really good free credits here as well. So now let's just go to explore page. So as soon as you log in, you will find higgsfield.ai. And the thing that we are going to talk about today is AI Influencer tab, which you can see it's here. So let's just click on it. Now AI Influencer, guys, is a really huge market. So right now the brands are looking for AI influencers as well to promote that product, because first thing, they are really cheap to do. Second thing, now you can get a really consistent character in all the images and videos that you create. So you can have a perfect AI influencer, and Higgsfield has now introduced that AI influencer tab, which is going to be much easier to do now. So let's start now. So you can see here, I have already created some AI influencers here, which is Miller, Robin, Pan, Leslie. So let me just show you. So if I click on Duffy here, Duffy is basically our female human character, and here the Higgsfield shines really good because it just doesn't create a human character for AI influencer. It also offers characters which are not human. So let me show you. Here you can see we have this Pen as well, and he's a alien character which you can create as a AI influencer as well. And if I go to Robin, and you can see Pen here, which is a elf character which is having horns as well, and we have Robin character which is a Indian girl. So you can really combine and create some really amazing AI influencers here. So how you can start? For that, we are going to click on create new, and here on the right side you will find two tabs, a builder and a prompt. So the old way of doing it was to write a prompt, but we are not going to do that. We are going to go to builder. And here you can see we don't just create a human character. We can create a ant character, crocodile, alien, beetle, elf, mantis, lots of character that you can create. We are going to go for elf here. We are going to go for a gender of female. You can go for male as well, trans man, trans woman, or non-binary as well. We are going to go for female here. And right now I'm going to go for let's say Middle Eastern elf character. And here what I can do, I can define a skin color as well, but as I have selected a Middle Eastern origin, it is going to take the color of the skin of that origin here. Then we have the eye color, but if you don't like the eye color which are available here, you can click on this color palette and you can have a custom color and click on apply. And like right now you can see we have a pick own color. Now you can directly delete it from here if you don't want to use this pick own color or Middle Eastern. You can just delete it from here as well. But let's just go for amber here. And skin conditions are also a really new feature that I'm liking a lot in Higgsfield, which have the birthmarks, the scars, the burns, wrinkle skin if you are going for a senior age character here. But I'm going to go for freckles here. And now we have the age here. So for age, we can decide what we want our character age to be. It can be an adult, a mature, or a senior. We are going to go for adult. Now here the thing is that we have the advanced settings as well. Now what is advanced settings? So let's say if you want your character to have a specific body type or specific arm type, you can do it from here. So let me show you. Just click on advanced settings here and you will find three tabs here: face, body and a style. So let's start with a face. The first one is the eye type. You can go for the human eye as well. If you don't select it, by default it is going to have a human eye. Then you have the eye details here as well. So if you are going for a different eye in both, different eye colors in both, then what you need to do, you need to cancel this out. So we are going to cancel the amber here. Then let's just scroll downwards and go for mouth and teeth. And you can see we can go for a large mouth, a small mouth, no teeth. What you want, you can select like a two tongues or a fork tongue as well. But let's just go for a large mouth here. So we can do that as well. Or let's just go for small mouth here. Then you can have a ear type. So we are selected the L. So we are going to get that as well. If you want, you can have the horns as well. So we are going to go for small horns. Then here is the great thing, that how you want your character skin to be look like. So we have a human skin, a scales, fur, metallic, fish, amphibian skin, and lot more here. So let's just go for human here. Or you can experiment here as well, like a amphibian skin or a alien skin, which you have seen here as well in Leslie. And surface pattern is the last thing that you want, like a spots, a solid, a stripe, what you want. So let's just go for solid here. And now we can go for what we say a body type. And body type, I want maybe athletic body of the character. Then left arm, you can decide you want a normal arm or a robotic arm. So let's just say if we want to have a robotic arm, we can select it, but I am going to go for a normal arm. And right arm, let's just go for a cute arm, let's say. Okay, so you can do that as well. And left leg, same thing, and right leg, same thing. And the last step that we have is style. Here you can have a hair type. So let's say you want a short hair, a long hair character, a punk's hairstyle, what you want. So let's just go for long hair here. And for accessories and markings, we can go for tattoos here. So let's just go for tattoos. And rendering style, if you want to go for a hyper realistic anime, cartoon or 2D illustration. But by default, I want basically what we say a realistic character. So I'm going to stick with this. And once you are happy with all of this stuff, you can click on generate. And Higgsfield right now is giving you 15 free generations. So you can really lock your character that you want. So let's just click on generate influencer, and I will be back when this is generated, and it is going to take like 1 to 2 minutes. Though it says it's in a high demand user load, but don't worry, it is going to generate easily. So let's just click on generate and I will be back soon. Now you guys can see we have generated our character here, and as you guys can see we have two different eyes here, eyes color here. We have this horn, we have a cute prosthetic arm, and we have a normal hand as well. So this is looking really good. Now what we can do, we can take it to another level. But before doing that, let's just save this influencer here. So our character has now been set as default here. And the cool thing about this is you can edit directly it in Nano Banana Pro. So as soon as you click here, you can definitely change this out. And you can see we have this influencers here that I have created, and they look really realistic here as well. You can see all the results that I have done here. Right now, Nano Banana Pro is affected by Google infrastructure, so don't worry. But we can definitely change the pose, the atmosphere, the clothes and all that as well. If you want to learn, check out my Nano Banana Pro series and you will learn how you can do it. But right now, what I am interested is in AI Influencer tab. We are going to give a motion here, and you can say it's written try free. So let's just try it out. Here you can see we have some default templates that are given for motion control. But we are going to go to explore more here. And as you guys can see, it's basically using a motion control thing here, which is, I think, which is powered by Kling 2.6 motion control. But let's just pick here one dance move or maybe something like this that you can see here. You can say this is how it is going to look here as well. And let's just pick one here, which we are going to use. And you can definitely upload yours as well. So you can just click here and upload your video as well, and it will replicate the same moment which you can see here. So maybe let's just have this one. This is looking nice. Or we can have her dance as well, or maybe doing something like this. So let's just do this. and you can see we have this video reference and we have this image. Now you can go for quality, we can go for 1080p. It is going to use credits but not that much. And now what we can do, we can go to advanced and type here as well, but we are directly going to generate and check it out how it is going to look. Once the generation is done, I will be back, guys. As you guys can see, the video is now rendered. There is a small mistake here because I haven't set the what we say the frame here. It is basically disabling that prosthetic arm, but as you guys can see, the result is looking really good. So let me just click. If I do full screen, you can see that as well. This is looking really good. And let me show you what I have generated as well with this. I have created 2 AI influencers. So let me show you. So you need to have this specific frame as you see in the video in order to get some really good results. So let's show you. So you guys can say it's looking really good. Now you will be thinking, okay, it's good when we are creating a simple video, but no. If you create some video like this as well, it is a really good option. So let it just load here. Just give it a second to load. I will just switch to full screen till then. And you can see here the result. This is the AI influencer that I created, and just check this out. You can see this is looking really good, and you can see the dance moves are also going on. So this is how you can create the AI influencer. And then what you can do, you can just download it from your Higgsfield tab. Just click on the download. It will take like 1 to 2 seconds to process, and then it will take like 1 minute around to download depending on your internet speed. This is downloaded. You can see it's a 34 MB video. So if I open it here, you can see this is a really high quality video. You can see the details here as well on the face, on the body. This is looking really good. And now you are ready to post it to your social media accounts of AI influencer. It can be Instagram or it can be anything else. Now Higgsfield, if you are new to this Instagram thing or social media and you want to earn, Higgsfield has now introduced Higgsfield Earn tab as well. Let me show you what exactly that is. So let's say you have created an Instagram account of your AI influencer and you want to earn money from it. You can go to this link which I have given in the description. You can just click on that. And right now you can see the numbers are changing live here. Why this is happening? Because the creators are getting paid here this much dollars. There are lots of creators here. So if I scroll downwards here, you can see join Higgsfield Earn to get paid for your content. If I scroll downwards here, you can see there are 3 simple steps to make money. You just need to log in here. You need to post the content that you have created, and then you can get your money within 24 hours to 48 hours. So basically 2 business days when you are basically claiming your balance, and you can directly click on start now and you can start earning from Higgsfield Earn as well. And if I scroll downwards, you can see you can basically earn more as you go by. So if your post is getting really lot of tractions, then you can earn more as well. And you can see here the campaigns are also getting run, so you can earn from campaigns as well. So this is a really good time to be an AI influencer in the market and really earn from this. You can see already people are earning from this by posting the content of AI influencer, and you can do it too. Because now I have taught you how you can create your AI influencers with the help of Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, and it's really easy to create videos as well with the motion control of AI influencers. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something new. I will link all the links in the comment as well, and I will pin it so you can directly click and use the tools that you need to follow this along. So I will see you next time. Till then, if you like this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn AI and are new to AI. And I will see you next time. Till then, guys, bye bye. Take care.